Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Sam, and I realized that I got about 10 videos in without even telling you guys anything about myself or even what this channel is going to be about. So we're just going to take a couple seconds today to just run through all of that. So if I had to describe what my channel is going to be about in one word, well, actually two words, it would be life milestones. Now, what the heck does that even mean? So I'm going to take you guys through it. So life milestones, there's those progressions, those things that you want to hit in your life, right? So maybe you want to find the person that you want to be with. Once you find the person that you want to be with, then you want to go ahead, plan a wedding, get married. Then after that, maybe buy a house together, renovate that house, maybe even decorate the house. After that, maybe have some kids down the line. And as you do that, I would love to be there with you. So now how do I have the credentials to even talk about all those things? Well, no, I'm not a wedding planner. No, I'm not a real estate agent. I'm not any of those things. But what I think is even better than all of that is I have actually been through those stages. So with that, I am engaged and I'm going to be married next June. So I'm going through that whole wedding planning process. And I've learned so much kind of scrubbing the internet and getting so much information that I want to relay that information to you guys. On top of that, I also bought a house about a year ago, so I renovated that house too. So I want to take you guys through that progression of how do you buy a house, how do you renovate the house, also how do you decorate it, how do you maintain it, how do you clean it, all of those things. Now, in addition to that, I also did buy a rental property. So I have tons of tips, tricks on rental properties and different business ideas if you're a little bit more business or goal oriented, as well as I am an entrepreneur. And I know I do look young, but I am the CEO and co-founder of a company that I run full time, typically about 70, 80 hours a week that I invest in that. So I am a very goal oriented person. I do try to be very productive. So I want to emulate that through my channel as well. So pretty much to wrap up, this channel is going to be about all those life milestones. And as you're going through those life milestones, I want you guys to be happy, healthy, productive, and motivated to kill every single day. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely give this video a like, subscribe down below, and join me along my journey. And I'm so excited to join you guys along those life progressions, along those life milestones as well. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.